Welcome, friends. This is the Amazon rainforest.
Wow! Everything looks so green and beautiful! The Amazon is the largest rainforest on Earth. Let's go. Where is this forest located?
The Amazon is in South America and spreads across many countries.
Why are these trees so tall? The forest has layers, and each layer helps life. So everything works together! It rains a lot here. Wow!
The Amazon creates its own rain.
This is the Amazon River, the world's largest river.
It is so big and powerful. So many rivers join together. That's why the Amazon is powerful. The Amazon is powerful because it never flows alone.
Millions of animals live in the Amazon.
Some animals live only here.
The Amazon helps control Earth's climate.
Do people live here too?
Indigenous people live with and protect the forest.
Some forests are being cut. We must protect the Amazon for our future.